Hello and welcome to More Than Code. My name is Juliano. Today we will be installing the latest version of Python in Windows. Step number 1, open your browser on Google page and search for Python, download. Make sure you go to python.org, it's the official site for Python, and choose this, download the latest version for Windows. This button right here, just click it, wait for download the file on the machine. Now you have two options. You can click here and automatically open the setup file, or you can go to your downloads file folder and do the installation by double clicking the file over there. I'm just gonna click here. Make sure on this step to add Python 3.9 to path. This way you're gonna be able to run commands from Python on the command line on Windows anywhere on your machine. I'm gonna do a customization of the installation just to choose the location for the installation now. I'll choose the location. I want to install on the drive, and I have a Python folder here. I will install on this Python 3.9.5. Install here. All the other options are the same. I can do install for all the users too, and it's okay because we can check this on the first page of the installation too, first part. So now I'm just gonna install it, and I'll wait for the installation is done, and I'll come back here to make sure the Python is working. Okay, now the installation is done and setup was successful, so I'm just gonna make sure that everything is okay. I'm gonna go to a search here on the search box for CMD, and I'll just type Python here and see what comes from it. So it shows me Python 3.9.5 is installed on this machine. And that's it for this video. If you like the content, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, any comments, feel free to write it down. And thank you very much. See you soon. Bye bye.